Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to log Facebook profile officially. All right, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, open up your Facebook app. Now go to the top right, tap on the three horizontal lines. Okay, tap on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, scroll down a bit and tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on it, and here just tap on Settings. Okay, tap. Now scroll down until you find the section Audience and Visibility. Here we have a profile locking. Okay, just tap on it. Now tap on Finally Lock Your Profile. Now it says here only friends will see your past and future photos, post and stories as well on your profile. Now your full resolution profile picture and cover photo will only be shown to friends. And you could also make some profile info public so friends can find you and send friend request. So tap on Lock Your Profile and just wait for it to load. And then once it loads, it now says here, you locked your profile. Okay? Tap on OK. And here we have a notification as well. So when you go ahead and refresh the page, it will leave the specific notification on your profile so that you would remember that you locked your profile. Okay? If you want to unlock it, just go back to the same set of steps or pages and you'd be good to go. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.